Hey YouTube, I'm back at it doing another customization. As I said in a previous video, I just bought the 2020 Fat Bob Harley-Davidson 114 and I got the Sissy bar. So they called me yesterday while I was at work and said it was ready. I just picked it up. Here's the Fat Bob right behind me and we're going to install it today. I'm not going to really talk too much. Basically, this is going to be a quick how I, not how to. This is a how I install my hold fast, quick disconnect Sissy bar. And I'm going to show you the before and after, and we're going to go from there. See how everybody likes it, see how I like it, and see how comfortable it is. Basically, I'm getting it so when I have passengers, they'll feel more secure and, you know, more comfortable on the bike. All right, let's jump right to it. We got the Sissy bar out. Place it on the ground, out the way. I already started putting in the hardware. It takes an 8mm Allen key to tighten everything down. Come over to the other side, do the same thing. Yeah. Huh? I'm gonna take you to dance. Dance ain't till 3:30. All right. So that's tight. The factory hardware was a T45 to get the original bolts out. They're pretty tight, so you might need a wrench for leverage on the Allen set. Or the torque wrench, shall I say. Once you get everything slid in, just pop Sissy bar down. And these two little release things pull out, and there you have it. You got your Sissy bar installed. One thing to note, so the washers that go on the new quick release hardware, 2 of them are wider than the other 2. The 2 wide ones go in the front so you can slide and lock down the Sissy bar or get it set to where it can be locked down. So you want to put the wider ones up front and the skinnier ones out back. Let me disconnect this, pull it off, set this to the side. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So as you can see, the difference in the width between the front and the rear. The wider ones go on the front, the skinnier ones go on the rear. You can see it's like that on both sides. And what you do, you take the front of both sides of the Sissy bar and slide it in. And once it does that, the locking mechanism sits on the back hardware. You pull and slide and it locks down. Pull, slide, and locks down. That's that. It's not coming out. I can jerk on this as hard as I want, and it's not coming out. The next thing I want to do is install the backrest. And the backrest, there's all different kinds. I tried to order one that looks similar to the one that's on the bike already. So it had the little pads in there. I tried to mimic the pads, if you can see that. I tried to mimic the pads in the seat. So that mounts there. there you have it. Sissy bar is installed. I think that brought the entire bike out. So this is the standard height. I didn't get the short height one. Like I said, it's for both comfort and security of your passenger. And you can come back here, pull these little tabs, and that'll slide right out. All right, guys, so that's that. Sissy bar is installed. It's called the Hold Fast Quick Disconnect. And I got the backrest to kind of mimic the design of the original seat. This installation is fairly simple. It takes all of about, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. And it provides extra security and comfort for your passenger. Till next time, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought.